Hello, this is Mike Swanson. I run the website WallStreetWindow.com, and odds are that you're watching this video because you got an email from me telling you that it's up. Now, if you're not on my free email list, scroll below this video and you'll see a link to join it. And then every single morning before the opening bell, you'll get the email from me with my market thoughts, trading ideas, and links to the top headlines of the day that you need to know about. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you a gold mining stock that looks like that it's in position to break out and has a good entry point right now. Great trading opportunity, I believe, in these markets. As said, before we get to that, let's quickly look at the headlines. Dow, as I'm speaking this morning on Friday, April the 1st, down 52 points. We did have the Dow go down 500 yesterday. I'm still hopeful that the Dow, after the big rally we saw in the second half of March, can go sideways for a couple of weeks before it has a more important move. So I'm not taking too much out of today's daily action, but the headline is big. It is that the U.S. economy gained 431,000 jobs in March. The unemployment rate fell a little bit more. Of course, there's millions of people that are now been taken out of the workforce, so they don't factor in that unemployment rate. But that does not change the fact that it's very difficult now for employers to hire and keep people, and it is a tight labor market because so many people are out of it. And the importance of this news is that it increases the odds of a 50-point rate hike in May, at the next meeting instead of 25 points. And frankly, it's needed because inflation is exploding. But everyone knows that if interest rates go up too much, it'll hurt the stock market. And this morning, the price of gold took an over $20 hit, down almost 1% at one point. But the interesting thing about that is gold mining stocks went up. Despite the morning drop in gold as I'm speaking, gold stocks went up. Take a look at this. This is the GLD ETF that tracks the price of gold. Right now, it's down 0.38%. It's the most popular exchange traded fund for those that want to trade gold. Silver down similar amount, 0.33%. This is SLV, the silver ETF. Now take a look at this. This is GDX, the gold stock ETF. I actually own GDX, a position in it in my retirement account. Now, on Sunday, I did a video and I put it out Monday to people on my email list saying that the GDX ratio was confirming the upward trend, the rally that began in gold, silver, and the mining stocks. Let me show you the ratio. It's up, and it's up today. It's been going up. Then why is this important? You see, the performance in the mining stocks and the GDX tends to be a leading indicator in gold and the mining stocks themselves. So when the mining stocks outperform gold, that's bullish. When the mining stocks lag gold, don't go up, when gold goes up, that's a negative. Well, they're acting stronger than the metal. They've been doing that for several weeks, and they're acting as powerful confirmation for the metal's rally and telling me that it's real. And this is why I have ignored all the gold bears, all the people who keep trying to predict that gold is going to crash, or saying the only reason why gold has gone up is because of short-term news based on Ukraine. No, I believe that this indicator is saying it's much more than a short-term rally, that it's all a part of the underlying inflationary trend that began really last year, a year ago, in the financial markets. So while the stock market is very volatile, and yes, we have been seeing a rally and a rebound in things such as the ARK ETF, a renewed fascination this week among traders to try to jump in the fad stocks. AMC had a big move this week, and a lot of people jumped on that. Robinhood went up 24% the other day. That action spurs people to try to chase. But I don't think that's really an easy way to make money. I like to hold things that are outperforming the market and sectors outperforming the market where the gains are more steady, and look for trading patterns of breakouts or potential breakouts before they happen. I don't like to get in things after they've already gone up 24%, but use entry points to get in at a good position. So that leads me to the stock I want to show you today, and that is a Nico Eagle. I own a Nico Eagle, and it's been consolidating here in a fairly narrow range. Resistance is $64. Support is $58. And if you notice the pink line on the chart, those are the 20-day Bollinger Bands. I don't have time to do an entire, video lesson on Bollinger Bands, but they are what they do is show a mathematical representation of volatility. When they come together, volatility shrinks. That happens when something's in a short-term trading range. And then when the stock or exchange traded fund closes above the upper band, that typically means, okay, a breakout is coming. So this could easily happen next week. It's possible it would happen today. I doubt it. But what this suggests to me is we got a great entry point here to get into. If you want to get into the sector outperforming the market, here's an entry point to do it. And one of the big leading stocks in that sector pays a nice dividend. It's consolidating. You can buy. You can put a stop loss below 58. And if it closes above 64, really 63.29, that's where that Bollinger Band, the upper peak band is, then we should see a rally, a similar move to what we saw in March when this went from 10 points, 52 to over 62. So I think we can get this above 70 in the next couple of weeks on a breakout. So this is the type of trading I like to do. I look for setups. I don't just load up the Robinhood app and chase what everyone else is doing. I like trading setups. I like showing people trading setups. I like teaching people trading setups. So if you like this type of information, click the like button, and then YouTube will know that, and they will show it to other people, and they'll know this is valuable information. This is the kind of trading information that actually helps people. Now, if you're brand new to my videos and you want to get the next video, what you need to do is click the subscribe button and then click the bell next to the subscribe button. And then YouTube will send you an alert as soon as my next video is up for you to watch. So let's have a good trading day the rest of this Friday, April the 1st, and have a good weekend too.